This video is for MGF 1107 when we're asked to convert a Roman numeral to a Hindu Arabic numeral. The Roman numeral that is given to us is CCCXLVIII. Now, the Roman numeral system is an additive system, which means generally from left to right we add the values of each numeral. Except in Roman numerals there is a situation where we have to subtract, and that's when a smaller valued numeral is followed by a larger value numeral. In that case, we have to subtract the smaller value from the larger value. And in the Roman numeral system, you only can subtract one numeral from one other numeral, so you can't subtract two or three numerals from a numeral. And you also can only subtract the numerals with values 1, 10, 100, and 1,000. So you cannot subtract 5, 50, or 500 from anything. So in this problem, we see that we have CCC. Well, each one of those C's is 100. So that would be 100 plus 100 plus 100. That's for the three C's. Then we have X, which is 10, followed by L, which is valued at 50. So we don't add those because 10 has a smaller value than 50, so we actually subtract. So we have plus, we take 50, and we take away the X of the 10. Now if it was L then X, we would add because we were going from larger to smaller. LX would be 60. But XL means take 10 away from 50. So when you go from a smaller numeral to a larger numeral, that's when you have to subtract. Then we have plus. It's an additive system. So plus V is 5 plus, you notice how we're getting smaller because it goes I, which is 1. So we keep adding. We don't subtract. So we keep adding 1 plus 1 plus 1. If the numeral's value either stays the same or it decreases, we add. If it went from a smaller valued numeral to a larger value numeral, that's when we subtract. So what do we have here? We have 300 plus 40 plus, we'll just add those up, looks like 8. So altogether, we have 348. And that would be the Hindu Arabic numeral that is equivalent to CCCXLVIII.